Your dog knows things about you, things you have never said out loud, things you have never told your best friend, things you might not even know about yourself. And the wildest part? They've known this whole time and have never said a word. Today, we're finding out what they know. Let's start at number 10. They know when you are lying, not to them, but to other people. When you're being fake or uncomfortable around someone, your dog feels it. They read body language better than any human ever could. Your heart rate shifts, your breathing pattern changes, your posture tightens, and your dog notices every single one of those tells, even when you think you're hiding it perfectly. Ever notice your dog acting strange around someone you don't fully trust? They sensed it before you even admitted it to yourself. Number 9. They know when you're about to cry long before the first tear falls, before your face crumples, before your voice breaks. Your body releases tiny chemical signals when emotions start building up. Your dog smells those chemicals. That's why they sometimes come and sit next to you, seemingly out of nowhere. They aren't just guessing, they already know. Number 8. They know when you are sick. Now, we've all heard of dogs trained to detect cancer, diabetes, and even seizures, but your dog at home is doing a version of this every single day. When your body is fighting something off, your personal scent changes at a chemical level. Your dog has already noticed. That's why they might follow you around more when you're not feeling well. They're just checking on you. Number 7. They know your routine better than you do. Studies have shown that dogs can predict when you're coming home based on how much of your scent is left in the house. As the hours pass, your scent fades. When it gets to a certain level, they go and wait by the door. It's not psychic ability, they are just paying attention in a way nobody else is. Number 6. They know when you're scared, even when you're pretending not to be. Adrenaline has a distinct smell. When you're frightened, your body releases it instantly. You can put on a brave face all you want, but your dog already knows. And here's the beautiful part. Instead of judging you, they just move closer. Number 5. They know who in your life makes you happy and who doesn't. Dogs remember how your body reacts around different people. Around some, you relax, your breathing slows, your voice softens. Around others, you tighten up without even realizing it. Your dog keeps a mental list of every person in your life and exactly how you feel about them. Number 4. They can sense a pregnancy. This one is incredible. There are documented cases of dogs detecting pregnancies before the person even took a test. Hormones change a person's scent completely. Some dogs become more protective, some become more gentle, some just refuse to leave your side. They sense the change and make a quiet decision to show up differently for you. Number 3. They know you feel guilty. You don't have to say a word. When you feel bad about something, leaving them alone too long, forgetting a walk, having a bad day, and being short with them, your entire energy shifts, and they respond to that shift not with anger, but usually with more affection, as if they're saying, "It's okay, I already forgave you." Number 2. They know you are lonely, even in a room full of people. Even when you are smiling and telling everyone you're fine, your dog feels the difference between real happiness and performed happiness. And on those nights when you're lying in bed and the weight of everything just sits on your chest, they are already there. They already knew. They already chose to stay. And the number one biggest secret your dog is keeping about you, they know that you need them just as much as they need you, maybe even more. You think you rescued them, but every single day they wake up and quietly rescue you right back, and they will never tell a soul. Your dog is not just a pet. They are the one living thing on this earth that knows the real you, the tired you, the scared you, the lonely you, the happy you, and has never once thought about leaving. If your dog is with you right now, maybe take a moment. They probably already knew you needed to hear this.